Fourth, Parvat Asana. Parvat Asana is a simple seated asana which is considered to be one of the most important seated postures in yoga. While the legs are grounded in Padmasana or lotus pose, the whole of the upper body is stretched upwards with the arms over the head and palms pressed together. Benefits. First, increases the flexibility of the spine. Second, cures kyphosis. Third, cures asthma, back pain. Bhujang Asana, Cobra Pose. From pro-lying position, start raising the upper part of the body without the support of hands while looking up. Benefits. First, prevents and cures diabetes. Second, improve digestive functioning. Third, cures cold and bronchial problems, kyphosis, obesity, neck spondylitis. Contraindication. Persons suffering with back pain and hernia should not do. Paschimottam Asana. Sitting with straight legs in front, legs stretched while trying to touch the forehead to the knees. Hands hold the feet. Benefits. First, relieves diabetic patient. Second, controls weight and prevents obesity. Third, back and leg muscles are strengthened and relaxed. Fourth, cures gastric, indigestion and constipation problems. Contraindication. Person suffering from heart problem, ulcers, hernia, sciatica should not do. Matsya Asana. This asana is known as fish pose. Lie on your back. Your feet are together and hands relaxed alongside the body. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. Lift your chest up from in between the shoulder blades. Press the thighs and legs to the floor. Benefits. First, cures asthma problems. Second, controls weight and prevents obesity. Third, back and leg muscles are strengthened and relaxed. Fourth, cures gastric, indigestion and constipation problems. Contraindication. Person suffering from back pain should not do.